backyard. It's late at night. Listen. What is that sound? It's just coming from the ground. It's really starting to freak me out. I can't even find my dog. It's too dark. Indy, where are you? Maybe he got eaten up. Wow. I don't know. I'm gonna go in. I'm a little bit afraid.